Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials. Power the car to ACC or on so the radio and infotainment are active. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This allows the head unit to see your device. Use the vehicle menu, press menu or phone to enter Bluetooth setup. Make sure to have any default PIN ready, because some Volkswagens require entering 0000 or 1234. Act now so pairing can proceed without delays. You will now search for and select your phone from the car's Bluetooth list. Go to Phone, Bluetooth, then Search or Pair Device. When your phone appears, tap it. Then compare the PIN shown on the infotainment screen with the one on your phone to confirm they match. Tap Pair or OK on both devices. Make sure to accept permission prompts on your phone for contacts and call history. This is why you grant access, so calls and names display properly on the dash. Finish by verifying the connection. Your phone should show as connected on the infotainment and may be labeled primary. Set it if you have multiple devices. Make a quick test call and play music to confirm audio and microphone routing work. If anything fails, don't panic. Restart your phone and the car's infotainment, remove old Bluetooth entries on both sides, then repeat the pairing steps. Often this clears conflicts, because a fresh start removes cached pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.